Welcome again to my channel Organic and Hydroponic Urban Grow Pro. Friends, today in this video we are going to talk about how to grow tomato into media bucket system. And I am also going to demonstrate how we can start our plant into this media bucket very easily and successfully. Friends, what you see over here is my media bucket system. If I explain you simply, these are the 20-liter buckets I have used. In those buckets you can see I have made these overflows. Then we have a drip line fitted over here with the small line coming out of it, from which the water is coming out, and here we have adjustable dripper over here. Now we have one main tank over the last edge, and from that tank we have put the pump. The pump will circulate or pressure the water. The water will come in these tubes. Then this water goes through this tube and we can add the water to these buckets into control manner. Now if I show you, we can control this water level. So this is we have increased, and we can at the same time we can reduce. So this is how this system works. Now once the bucket are full with the water, all the overflow come out, goes back through this pipe into this big pipe, and later this is again going back to the tank. So this is the one type of recirculating system which is continuously flowing water, tank to pipe, pipe to buckets, buckets overflowing back to the main pipe, big pipe, and again going back to the sump. So this is the media bucket system. Now we have decided to put different plant into this system for the testing purpose. Now you can see that some cucumbers are over here. They are all started bearing the fruits. There are brinjals, the corn, the beans, the watermelon, and now we are going to put the tomato in it. Now for putting the tomato and carrying the tomato, we have already made a small trellis over here. You can see, if you see, and where we hang this plant to give the vertical support. Now for growing tomato, first we need to make the nursery. As tomato seeds are very small, and if I show you, these clay balls are quite big in size. You can see this. These are quite big in size, so they cannot handle the small seeds, or small seed cannot germinate into directly. So what we do, we grow the tomato plants into nursery with the coco pit. Once the plant grow up to 4 or 5 inch and 4 to 5 leaves, then we can shift this plant to our media buckets. At the time of shifting, you need to take some of the care, and in the further part of video, I am going to demonstrate you how we can transplant and what care we should take while transplanting. Once the plant established, then only we need to circulate the water regularly, the nutrition water, and we will get the good growth of the tomato plant. So let us watch how I am transplanting and what care we should take. So friends, now we will start shifting our plants into this media buckets. As you can see, we have already prepared this nursery with the help of coco pit, and our plants are now 4 to 5 inch long. They are also starting developing the fifth leaf, and this is a good stage at where we can shift this plant to these buckets. Now I have explained you that media is there and we are adding continuously the water. Now if by chance the media is dry, what we can do, we can either increase our speed of the water like this and wet all the media, or we can manually add water and wet the media. Wetting of the media is very important because our new plant will require water immediately to establish its new roots. So once we stable the plant into this, then we can continue on the drip line itself. Now transplanting is very simple. So once the balls are wet like this, you can see now they are wetted well. We can simply take out the plant one by one. We are going to put only one plant per bucket because this plant grows very big, very long. Now you can see that we have taken it out with the root ball, and you can see the healthy root system of that. Now we simply need to make the cavity. We are going to put plant around 1 and 1.5 inch deep. So from all this area, the new root also will develop. So we need to make a deep into this around 2 to 3 inch. We'll shift this plant and carefully cover the plant with this clay balls. With this help of the clay balls, the plant will stay supported and start growing. Now for the first 2 or 3 days, either we can daily put the water with the extra water with the drip, or you can put water manually also to have a good moisture level around this root ball. So that plant will develop new root quickly and establish well. Once it is established, then it is through for the season on this drip line. Now once this plant is established and it develops 6 to 7 leaf stage, then we need to give the support of the plant. For supporting, as I have explained you, we have already put one wire trellis and we have a hook like this. So where we can extend the rope, just unwinding the rope and extend the rope. This type of hook is very necessary for supporting the tomato plant, as tomato plant is a vine crop and it will develop continuous long vine. So what we'll do, we'll train this vine up to this wire. Once it goes out of that wire, you can loosen 2-3 rounds of the thread and lean it on the side like this cucumber and again support it vertically. This is how we can grow this vine very long and it will be giving more number of fruits also. So this is the way we can simply start our tomato plant into media bucket system and get the good fruits. So friends, how do you like my media bucket system, the homemade media bucket system? Please write me back into the comment box. And if you like this, please give me the thumb and also share it with your friends. You can also prepare one system like this for yourself and grow many vegetables like we have grown, like cucumber, watermelon, okra, brinjal, pole beans, all we have grown into this media bucket. So media bucket is a most flexible system where you can grow almost all the things as what you can grow into soil, of course with the hydroponic nutrient. So plan to prepare one system on your own for yourself and get good vegetable growing in your home and get the fresh harvest regularly from your media buckets. Happy growing!